don't know how the thing goes. Baby, come true, let's mingle. She a bad girl with a good.
Hey guys, Relax Gaming today. As you can tell, the wall's right here, and I'm doing a different challenge. So I'm doing the woodwork challenge. So look at the goal right there. Yeah, look at me. So I'm gonna be attempting to get the post, right post, crossbar, and left post. So I'm gonna go for the left post. So let's get on right now.
Skimmed.
Okay, so second time lucky. Let's see if I get it, but this might be a long video. It depends if I get it quickly, but let's go. Come on, please. Okay guys, so come on, let me try and get this. Third attempt, let's go. Okay, so this is my fourth attempt, so I'm probably gonna get the crossbar first to get that out of the way. So let's go. Okay guys, so as you can tell, I got the crossbar right there. Now I got the two posts to do. So I got the left post or right post. So I'm gonna go right post this time, see if I get it. Okay guys, so I think it's my sixth attempt. I didn't get the right post, so I'm gonna go for one of them, and let's hopefully get one of them. Okay guys, so this is my seventh attempt, and I failed to get the crossbar, so let's go for one of them. I'm getting tired of this. Let's go. How am I gonna do this? Finally. Okay guys, so this is my last attempt, so show them. I got to get the right post now, so you got me now? Hopefully I get this now, so let's go. Okay guys, I lost count. I don't know what number I'm on, maybe 9, but I need to get this. Come on, please.
He's on 9.
Okay guys, so I'm getting tired of this. Let's just get the right post right now.
Get low when the whistle go.
Okay guys, so this is currently where I'm gonna end my video. Thanks to the cameraman right there. Can I get... No, I can't. But anyways, thank you for the cameraman, and this is... I'm gonna end my video, so make sure you smash 6 likes. Make sure you smash 6 likes on this video, and subscribe if you're new. There will be a link to my last video in the description, and I'll catch you in my next video.